going on, everybody? Rayshot here. Today I'm bringing in a new video. I'm going to bring in an unboxing video of some new package that I got in the mail. So we got a new package here that I ordered. I ordered 2 items. I believe 2 of them are in here, but let's get into it. Alright, let's get into the boxing of the package. Get our handy dandy unboxing knife. Alright, so I ordered a Govee RGB LED strip light. I'll put a link down below so that you guys can check it out if you guys are interested in looking into these. This is 65.6 feet. It comes with two sets, so if you guys ever are curious of getting yourself one, I think it should be marketing around 45 bucks right now. Here's the package. Comes with user manual and the installation guide. This was supposed to come with clips. I'm assuming, yep, it came with clips. So here are the lights, ladies and gentlemen. Now we get more into the box because there's actually 2 sections of this. We got the clips, so this will basically reinforce the RGB strips for like tight turns. We got prep alcohol prep pads. They basically like points to put into the walls in order for the screws to go through. We have cable button actually where you can plug the lights into. You can control it manually. This is the power supply. Here's the controller. But yeah, that was the first package. That was the first item. Now the second item that I'll be unboxing is something for the camera actually. So here's the second package. This is meant for my camera. Hopefully the next gameplay video that I make, actually not gonna lie, this is actually a pretty nice package. Comes with, in the mail, it's a HDMI to a USB adapter. So in the package it comes with user manual. It's a USB 3.0 to an HDMI adapter. Yep, here it is. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. The next scene is going to be installing the lights. So let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm back. The camera died. I finished installing the rest of the lights. Here are they right now. I'm gonna show you guys because it got a little darker in my room. It only took me about 15-20 minutes to install, but they look amazing. They're gonna look phenomenal. Let me switch it to white. This is considered white, but yeah guys, that is the Govee RGB LED strip lights. Unfortunately, while the camera shut off behind the scene, I was looking at the HDMI to USB adapter for my camcorder so I could use for when I'm filming like gameplay videos. Turned out it was wrong. I got the wrong thing because I read wrong. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, if you guys did, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel. As well, if you guys want some more unboxing videos type like this or whatever products, that's it. It's been Ray Shot. I'm out. Peace.